So guys, thank you very, very much for the following. It has been a long journey, and thank you ever so much for the all your comments and following. And it just happened today, I'm at the Airbus facility here in Toulouse, and it's such a milestone and motivate me to do more on aviation. I do read all your comments, and I really appreciate everything you guys have done to support me to get me who I am. And I also want to introduce Captain Firas here, and with his help, he's actually a Kuwait captain on 777. He's with me on the trip, and with his help, I finally got over the line today, and he sent me some of the followers in his profile. So come here. Hey Firas, say hi to my crowd.
Hi everyone. Congratulations Sam on your 100,000, and I wish I see you on the 1 million.
Okay, you're gonna like. Okay, thank you so much.
Congratulations.
A little insight with you on our view of the market for air transport aircraft, commercial air transport aircraft. So initially with an overview of our worldwide perspective.
الحين خلصنا كل محاضرات تقريبا. الجزء الأول من اليوم خلص. الحين طالعين بريك، نروح نتغدى وبعدين نرجع نكمل. اعتقد عندنا الحين زيارة الطيارات ال 350 وال 380 حق خط التصنيع. الحين الشباب هني كلهم مشغولين، كل من يصور وكل من قاعد ياخذ ذكريات وكل من قاعد يتكلم يغطي يسوي التغطية اللي هو يبيها. الأخ خالد هني من الناس المحترفين في التصوير. فأي أحد يبي تصوير ترى يكلم خالد وبس يحاسبني أنا. Sam, this is for YouTube. We have two Sams here today.
Oh yeah.
No, we have some.
How many Sams?
The other Sam is not here.
Yeah, we've lost the other Sam.
So now with YouTube, with me now, I have only two Sams.
Which Sam you like?
Which is the best Sam?
Just to be honest.
You just said you like me. Now you change your mind.
It's a pleasure to meet you guys here.
Hi guys. Thanks for watching.
الأستاذ أحمد من جريدة اليوم السابع. تعرف الجماعة في جريدتكم.
تحياتي ليكم، أنا أحمد مصطفى مدير تحرير اليوم السابع ومسؤول ملف الطيران بالجورنان. احنا اليوم السابع جريدة مؤسسة صحفية كبيرة بدأت في مصر يعني عام 2007. احنا كنا بداية صحافة رواد صحافة الأونلاين والديجيتال في مصر. حاليا عندنا صحيفة ورقية يومية هي اليوم السابع، عندنا عدد 2 مجلة باللغة الإنجليزية والفرنسية ايجيبت توداي وبزنس توداي. عندنا 10 مواقع متخصصة خاصة بالصحافة المتخصصة كلها، وفي الطريق إن شاء الله عندنا حاجة خاصة تكون مفاجأة خاصة بالطيران. سعدت جدا طبعا ليكم، تحياتي وتحياتي للكابتن فراس كتير.
ناس فرصة سعيدة.
فرصة سعيدة جدا، تحياتي ليكم.
These are the guys from Algeria. جماعة Algeria. Alex, let's talk aviation.
Let's talk aviation. I'm not so sure I'm a specialist, so I'm coming here to become a specialist. It's a bit different.
I think you're already a specialist by now.
You think
no?
so?
Yeah.
No. I'm a passenger, I'm a concerned passenger, a well-informed passenger. That's pretty much it.
That's a good way of describing, an expert person.
Yeah.
So, what do you do, Alex?
I have an advertising PR agency in Algeria, and we handle Airbus across North Africa, Senegal, and Côte d'Ivoire.
That's cool.
Yeah. So we try to help them communicate more precisely and better with media and with the key influencers as well.
All right. If you want Alex, I'll put his link below. You can click and check him out. Max, if you have a minute. Yeah, sure. Max from Flight Global. Since I started studying aviation, the only thing that could feed our aviation, our inner side of the aviation, was the Flight International magazine.
Good to hear.
So we want to know what is the future, what's in Flight International, where are we going?
Well, obviously we're waiting to go to the Dubai Air Show in a few weeks, so we're hoping to see some big stories coming out of that. We had the Paris Air Show in the summer, so the big news at the moment is around what Boeing's going to do to compete with the A320-1LR, which is the big A320neo, which has got good capacity and good range. It looks like the market isn't that impressed at the moment with the 737 MAX 10, which is their kind of competitor in size. So they're talking about this thing called a new mid-market airplane. We think that may get some sort of increase in information over the next few months with some idea of what power plants it will have and stuff like that. And the other question, of course, is around the A380 and whether we'll see anything come up at the Dubai Air Show from Emirates to put its commitment to the A380 Plus with the winglets and the increased weight and the densified cabin. So that's the stuff that we're...
So what's your opinion on the future of the 380?
I think it's going to be a tough short term for the aircraft. A lot of the people that have the aircraft left on backlog have deferred their orders, so although the backlog numbers look quite impressive, in reality not that many of them are actually wanting to take the aircraft in the near term, so Airbus is having to reduce production rate to almost one every 2 months, which is very, very low, and almost to the point of questioning the sustainability of it. If Airbus can keep production running, one feels that at some point there will be a need for a bigger aeroplane because of congestion, but it's just waiting for when that market starts to really evolve.
I agree. Thank you very much, Max.
Ah bon? Il faut descendre. Hein.
Nos affaires, où sont les affaires?
Ils sont rentrés, hein?
We have to go
Faut appeler,
for security check.
on reste ici.
Je sais pas, qu'est-ce que vous faites? Vous venez en visite ou vous venez faire quoi? Vous avez quelqu'un qui s'occupe de vous?
We're getting our badges, so for all journalists, visitors,
Yes.
visitor badges from there.
You, the visitor? Yeah.
I'll take the... No, they need to go with their passports.
Le passeport.